Hurry up buying this. Because this is another tip. I be waking up late. They be waking up late. They be you see they be doing a lot. So they have this bacon you put in the microwave, so we can put it in here for like a minute, put it in a bag, and we're out the door. Granola bars, another on the way, because I don't have time to be cooking hot meals. So this is about the extent. Put in some almonds. We gotta eat healthy. Put a rotisserie chicken and like cut it up. Put it in a salad. Put it in a bowl. Makes it real fast. So if we're on the go, we need a fast meal, and you know it gets expensive to eat now. I can buy $5-6 rotisserie for Costco, and baby, we in business. So that's one thing. We buy this for lunches. These, how can I do it? 40 of them. So we have to pack lunches for our boys. Get some fresh strawberries because we're always trying to make sure they're eating healthy or healthy-ish as we buy cookies, right? Same double-minded persons is, they say is, I don't know the saying, Lord, my grandma would be ashamed, but basically about being double-minded, they're wicked. So, but still, balance. And then what about this? Y'all know about this? These Brussels sprouts from Costco. Another little pouches. You can put them in the microwave. I don't like them in the microwave. I'll put them on the stove and warm them up. Another quick meal. I'm busy, so I can eat it with a rotisserie chicken. And then, yeah. And then, oh my God, y'all, this is a game changer. I buy this every Sunday. Look how much chicken. This is from Costco. It's about almost 6 pounds of chicken already seasoned. Got to put a little bit more salt because it ain't seasoned as much as I like. But it's pretty good. Look at it. Look at the price. $23. So I make this. This will last a couple of days. This is part of meal prepping. So I buy it. I make this chicken in the air fryer. And I have a Ninja. So it has a double size. So I can do a lot of chicken. So I only have to do a couple rounds because we had a baby air fryer and it wasn't really working. It wasn't working the way we needed. Buy some bananas. My husband only want to eat bananas. They go bad. Half of them. But mind your business. Another fast one for breakfast, these turkey links. And then the Chick-fil-A knockoffs. These really are, they taste pretty much like Chick-fil-A. Argue with me in the comments if you want to. This tastes like Chick-fil-A. So I buy this because we need fast meals for the boys in case I run out of chicken and I don't feel like cooking. So this is another one. And then more chicken. We probably just eat chicken and fish. That's probably the only thing we eat. We probably eat taco, like ground beef or bison periodically. We rarely eat red meat. So we just be eating a lot of chicken. Chicken, veggies, and rice. Oh, crap. They didn't send my rice. God dang it. And that's it. And then the waters. Y'all, buy the baby waters. Buy these little baby waters from Costco's, okay? Would you? Because the way them kids be wasting those full bottles, they even be wasting these. So I feel like if I buy these, then it's all good. Because that big one really was burning me up, y'all. Buy these little waters and fill them up. Get them on the thing. Get them off the floor, y'all. Get your waters off the floor. Get you a little carrier, okay? Get the waters off the floor, okay? Look at this game in here. Why is it in here? But get your water off the floor. All right. And just like that, y'all. That's it. That's it. There go my board. I'm about to reset. I'm about to get our bulletin board together. Do y'all got a bulletin board too? We can talk about that in the next video. We reset bulletin board to be able to make sure we know what they need for lunch. We mark it off. Obviously, we haven't been following along real good because we be real busy, but we know what day it is. So we're about to head into the 18th. It's a Chick-fil-A day at school, and then we take away gadgets as well. So today I didn't take it away. I just made them go to their room. But if they really get to cutting up, I cross it off. They don't get tablet or switch because they got to get their lives together. Yeah, so you put everything on the board and then to stay organized. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.